Here the circles are very important. Okay, so very short answer type questions. Okay, so in this, find the equation of the circle passing through -2 comma 3 with the center 0 comma 0. This is the question here. Okay, so in this question, what is given here? Okay, so one center is given. Center of the circle is 0 comma 0. 0 comma 0 is the center of the circle, and a point on the circle, that is -2 comma 3. One point is given. Okay, so now if we take the distance between the center and point on the circle, okay, this distance is OP or CP. If we take, okay, center C is equals to origin 0 comma 0, this CP distance is equal to radius. Okay, so first whatever it is given, so first write that. Okay, so given point on the circle, point on the circle. Okay, so what is given point on the circle? That is -2 comma 3. Okay, P point is -2 comma 3, and center is also given, that is center is equals to C is equal to, okay, that is origin 0 comma 0. Okay, now I am finding the distance between the CP. Okay, the radius is equals to radius of the circle, R is equal to distance between the center and point. CP distance is equal to radius here. Okay, the CP is equals to under root of, what is the formula? Okay, so when origin is a point, then direct we can take either x square plus y square, or otherwise we can use the normal formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, if we use this formula, okay, so -2 minus 0 whole square and 3 minus 0 whole square. Okay, that means -2 whole square is 4 and 3 square is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. Okay, this is root 13 is the value of R, radius. Okay, radius. And now he is asking to find the circle equation, equation of the circle. Okay, so now I am finding the equation of circle, equation of circle. Okay, so equation of circle formula, when we know the center and radius, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to r square formula we can use, or otherwise direct center is origin only, x square plus y square is equal to r square formula. Okay, so here x minus h value, h is 0 only, x minus 0 whole square plus y minus k, k is also 0 only, whole square is equals to r square. What is r value? That is root 13 and whole square. Okay, so square and root gets cancelled, square and root gets cancelled. So what we get here? Okay, so that is nothing but x square plus y square is equal to 13. This is the required circle equation, required circle equation. Okay, so what formula we used here? Distance formula, as well as x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to r square formula. We used these two. Okay, so now if we go to the next question, here find the equation of the circle passing through the point -2 comma 14, -2 comma 14 and concentric with, okay, x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. Concentric circle. What is mean by concentric circle? Okay, so concentric circle means the center of the circles, both the circles center is same. Okay, for both of these circles center is same. Okay, so but radius is different. Here center is same but radius is different. Concentric circle. Okay, so here one equation is given. Okay, this circle equation is given as, okay, x square plus y square, okay, minus 6x minus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. Okay, this circle equation is given. For both of these circles center is same. Okay, and one more is given, so one point on the other circle is given. Okay, either you can take the point here or anywhere. So I'm taking here. Okay, so the point on the circle -2 comma 14, -2 comma 14. Okay, so here whatever the data given, Okay, so first write the given data here. So given point, okay, given point is P of -2 comma 14 is a given point, and circle equation also given. Okay, equation of the circle is given as x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. Okay, this is the equation 1. Okay, circle equation. Concentric circles, we have the formula. Okay, formula for concentric circle. Concentric circle. Formula is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus 2fy plus c is a general equation. Instead of plus c, okay, we write some, okay, so other value, constant only different. Only we have change in the constant and equal to 0. Remaining everything is same. Okay, why? Because there is no change in the x square y square coefficient, no change in the xy coefficients also, because that is only the center value. Okay, there is no change in the center, that's why no change in the x coefficient and y coefficient also. Only the difference is the radius. Okay, that's why we have change in the constant value. Okay, so now if we substitute the values, okay, so here concentric circle for this equation 1 is x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y, no change in this, and constant only different plus k equal to 0. This is equation 2. This is the concentric circle equation. This is concentric circle equation. Okay, this concentric circle is passing through -2 comma 14. Okay, this equation 2 passing through equation 2 passing through the point, okay, P of -2 comma 14. Okay, so if we substitute these values, -2 whole square plus y square, that is 14 square, minus 6 into x, okay, minus 4 into y is 14, okay, plus k equal to 0. 2 square is 4 and 14 square. What is 14 square value? 196, and 6 2s are 12, minus into minus plus 12. Okay, minus 14 into 4 times. Okay, how much it is? 56. Okay, plus k equal to 0. Okay, so 196, 200, and okay, from 200 if you subtract 56, it is 144, and 144 and 12. Okay, 156. 156 plus k equal to 0. What is the value of k? K value is minus 156. Okay, so substitute this minus 156 in equation 2. Okay, substituting. Okay, so k value, k is equal to minus 156 in equation 2. Okay, so then what we get here? X square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y. Okay, so and k value is minus 156 equal to 0. Okay, this is only the required solution here, required circle equation. Required circle equation. Understood? Now, okay, so if we go to the next question here, find the value of k if the length of the tangent from 5 comma 4 to x square plus y square plus 2ky is equals to 0 is 1. Okay, so what is given here? So in this question, given one point is given point. Okay, one point is given as P of 5 comma 4 is the point. Okay, and circle equation also given. So circle equation is x square plus y square plus 2ky equal to 0. The circle equation usually we represent with S. I am writing with S. Circle I am representing with S. Okay, equation 1. Okay, length of the tangent formula. Okay, so for length of the tangent, okay, so length of the tangent formula is root S11 is the formula. Length of the tangent is root S11. What is mean by root S11? It is very simple. Root S11 means we are substituting the point in place of x and y. S11 is nothing but that the x and y values we are going to substitute in the given equation. Okay, this answer is also given as equal to 1. Okay, so how we are getting equal to 1? So length of the tangent is given as 1. Okay, so I am substituting that value here. Okay, so now root of S11 means substitute this 5 and 4 in place of x and y. X square, that is 5 square, y square, that is 4 square, plus 2k into y. Y means 4 equal to 1. Equal to 1. What is 5 square? 25. What is 4 square? 16. What 2 4s are 8k. Okay, is equals to 1. Okay, now squaring on both sides. If we square on both sides, okay, under root of this 25 plus 16, how much it is? 41. 41 plus 8k is equal to 1 is the, okay, so normal equation. In this I am squaring on both sides, so left side square and right side also square, so we can cancel the square and root. Okay, if we cancel the square and root, then 41 plus 8k is equal to 1. 8k is equals to, okay, 1 minus 41. 8k is equal to 1 minus 41. Okay, so now 8k is equal to, what is the 8k value? Minus 40. 8k value is minus 40. The value of k is minus 40 divided by 8. Okay, 8 ones are 8 5s are. Therefore, the value of k is minus 5. The value of k is minus 5. Okay, this is the required solution here. Okay, so now, okay, next question is find the power of the point p of minus 1 comma 1 with respect to the circle x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. Okay, so in this question also, whatever the data is given, okay, so first I am writing that. Okay, so given point is p of minus 1 comma 1. Okay, and circle is also given. Okay, circle equation s is equal to x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. Power of the point. What is the formula for power of the point? Okay, so here power of the point. Power of the point formula is just S11. Power of the point formula is S11. Means we are going to substitute this x1 y1 point in this circle equation. Whatever the value we get, okay, so that is the power of the point. It may be 5, 10, 100, minus 500, okay, so or 0, anything. Okay, so if it is positive, the point is outside the circle. If the value is negative, point is inside the circle. If the value is exactly 0, okay, so then point lies on the circle. Okay, so we can find the position of the point also by using the power of the point. Okay, so here now I am substituting the value. Okay, so this is equals to, okay, substituting this point in the given equation. Okay, so now x square minus 1 square y square, that is 1 square, minus 6x minus 6 into 1 plus 4y 4 into 1 minus 12. Okay, this is equals to minus 1 square is 1, 1 square is 1, minus into minus plus 6 ones are 6, 4 ones are 4, minus 12. Okay, this is equals to 1 plus 1 2 plus 6 is 8, 8 plus 4. Okay, that is 12. Okay, so 12 minus 12, 12 minus 12 is 0. What is the power of the point? Therefore, okay, so power of the point is equals to 12. This is only the required solution. Power of the point is 12. Okay, means this point lies on the circle. We can also find the position of the point also. Okay, so next here find the value of k. Find the value of k if the points 1, 3, 2, k are conjugate with respect to the circle, x square plus y square is equals to 35. Equals to 35. Okay. So now, so find the value of k if the points 1, 3, 2, k are conjugate with respect to the circle x square plus y square is equals to 35. Equals to 35. So what are the given points? First, I am writing the given points. They are okay. So 2 points are given. I am taking as a 1, 3 and b is equals to 2, k. B is equals to 2, k. Okay, and circle also given. Equation of the circle is given as s is equal to x square plus y square equal to 35. I am taking to left side. So minus 35 equal to 0. This is the equation number 1. Okay. So now conjugate points. Okay, conjugate points means S12 equal to 0. Okay. Conjugate points. If the 2 points are conjugate points. Formula is S12 equal to 0. Okay. What is mean by S12? What is mean by S12? Okay, x square I am writing. Okay, so S12 is equals to, okay, so S12 means for this equation, for the given equation, we can write the S12 as x square. I am writing as x into x. Can we write x square as x into x? And y square as y into y. Okay, and minus 35 as it is equal to 0. Okay, now look at this. Okay, so S12, first x I am writing x1, first y also I am writing y1. Okay, for second x and second y. Okay, for second x I am writing x2, for second y also y2. Just substitute the, okay, these 2 points a and b in this equation. That's it. S12 means x1 x2 plus y1 y2 minus 35 equal to 0. Understood? Okay, so what is x1 y1 and x2 y2? Okay, so just write these. Okay, so this is x1 y1 first point, and the second point is x2 and y2. Okay, if we substitute those values, x1 into x2, that is 1 into 2, 1 into 2. Okay, y1 y2, that is 3 into k, minus 35 equal to 0, equal to 0. Okay, so that means 1 2 is 2 plus 3k minus 35 equal to 0. 3k, 2 minus 35 minus 33 equal to 0. That means 3k is equal to 33 and k value is 33 by 3. Okay, this implies the value of k is 311 times is 33. The value of k is 11. What is the question here? Find the value of k if the points are conjugates with respect to the circle. Okay, so here we got the value of k. Okay, so now if we go to the next question, find the equation of polar of 1 comma minus 2 with respect to the x square plus y square minus 10x minus 10y plus 25 equals to 0. Okay, so in this equation, in this question also, what is given? So 1 point is given. Okay, so given point is equals to p is equals to 1 comma minus 2. I am taking the given point as p. Okay, and circle also given. So given circle equation I am considering as s is equal to x square plus y square minus 10x minus 10y plus 25 equal to 0. Okay, so now what is the question? Question is on the polar, equation of polar, equation of polar. Equation of the polar formula S1 equal to 0. Okay, well, how to write S1 equal to 0 means x square I am writing as x into x, y square writing as y into y, minus 10x I am writing as minus 5 into 2x, 2x again x plus x. Okay, minus 10y I am writing as minus 5 into 2y, 2y is y plus y and plus 25 equal to 0. Okay, leave one x and write the other one. Okay, x into x1 plus y into y1 plus here x plus x1, here y plus y1. Now substitute the point in this. Okay, if you substitute the point, okay, so x into x1 is 1 plus y into y1 is -2 minus 5 into x plus x1 minus 5 into y plus y1 plus 25 equal to 0. That means x minus 2y minus 5x minus 5 minus 5y minus 10 plus 25 equal to 0. That means, okay, x minus 5x is minus 6x. Okay, minus 2y minus 5y minus 7y. Okay, and